Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm so pumped to be here again with you guys, talking about a very special company and brand to me personally. I'm actually being sponsored for this video. I have been asked by my dear friend to make this video. I'm a friend of the company owner. I'm wearing the product right now, as you can see. Let's just, jump into it. I'm wearing the t-shirt that GROWNKIDZ is currently selling online. So yes, today is mainly focused on this t-shirt that you see. So this is the t-shirt that I'll be talking about today. I've got a couple more. I've got some, samples that I want to unbox in front of you guys just so you see what you get when you order your t-shirt. I'll go ahead and grab that in a second. But I did just kind of want to give the backstory, like how I became a part of this brand and just, kind of what their mission is and, why I really truly believe in this brand's t-shirt line, and there's going to be a whole bunch more to come. So, just be on the lookout and stay tuned for things in the future. So I guess going back, oh gosh, so let me think. Last year, I believe, last summer, I was actually a part of a photo shoot with the brand, and we've kind of just, stayed in touch ever since. So it's kind of cool how, we've kind of, kept up with each other over the years. And if you want to go back and check out some of those pictures on my personal Instagram, you can go back and scroll for a bit to last year, but you'll see me wearing the same shirt, and that was in a really fun campaign. We shot it in Dallas, and it was just really fun to be a part of. So if you want to get ideas for, just a better feel, I guess this is a good transition for me to mention their website. If you want to get a good feel for some of the products that, some of the outfit ideas that you can do, go ahead and check out their website. I think they have an excellent lookbook to choose from. Let me read you the brand's mission statement online. I just think it's really wonderful, and I truly, I feel like I can relate to it a lot. So this is what it says. So, established in 2018, GROWNKIDZ was created to inspire and encourage every man, woman, and child to follow their true passions, which I'm very much in sync with, I would say. And then more specifically, our goal is to reinforce the importance of commitment through our brand and products. We achieve this by expanding on the meaning and action in a distinct way, by being a positive influence in the communities around us, and by forming an innovative team with diverse minds. So I really genuinely appreciate that a lot. I think one of the reasons why Jordan reached out to me in the beginning to kind of be a part of this brand is I used to be a gymnast back in high school, college, all my childhood. That was my dream, that was my passion, and that's something that I really committed to and, saw until the end. I graduated from the University of Michigan with 4 years of gymnastics and a college degree, at the end of all that. So I'm really proud of that accomplishment and achievement. But I think another, kind of another facet to that is, my dreams haven't stopped. My commitment to, promoting positivity and living a good life hasn't come to an end. I feel like I'm kind of just getting started and finding my new passion and finding other things that I'm interested in and, finding jobs that I want to pursue. So I think that's why, excuse me, I think I really truly identify with this brand, and I'm really proud to, just be a small part of it.
Hey y'all, it's me, Briley. I'm here in post-production trying to edit this video real quick, and I just realized that I didn't even go into much detail about, probably the other reasons why Jordan asked me to be a part of this video, so I just kind of want to briefly mention. So after my gymnastics career, I am currently a graduate student and graduate assistant, I guess, at LSU here in Baton Rouge, and So with that, I'm pursuing a career in sports psychology, and so my current major degree will be in kinesiology here at LSU. I'm graduating soon, which I'm really thankful for and really looking forward to. So I guess moving into kind of my transition beyond my undergraduate college years in the gym, 30 plus hours a week. I mean, I can't even remember, I was in the gym almost nearly every day, no time off. I really dedicated my whole life to, committing myself to being a collegiate athlete. It's really high level stuff there. Ask any collegiate athlete. I mean, you see these, really high level collegiate athletes on TV all the time. They're pursuing their dreams and goals. So I was really, I feel like a strong, strongly connected to that group of people. And so now that I'm done with that part of my life, I just kind of wanted to mention to you guys that, my new goal, my new dream is sports psychology. So I really still want to be involved with athletes, or even just, working professionals, even your average everyday people. It doesn't matter what kind of background you have, but really sports psychology and performance psychology are my major goals and dreams to pursue now in my life. So hopefully one day those dreams will come to fruition. It's all a long process, right? So I'm in the, the early stages of that process, I guess. I have that athletics experience behind me. Now I'm trying to get my education here at LSU. And yeah, so with that, I just wanted to throw that part in really quick, so you guys have a better idea of who I am, where I'm coming from, and why Grown Kids really means a lot to me. I've been, working with them for a while now. Yeah, so I'm excited that this is my first, sponsored post with them, my first sponsored, sponsorship deal with them last year. It was not sponsored. I'm just happy to be a part of this company in just a small way. So back to the rest of the video. Thanks for listening for that, just for a brief second. Yeah, back to the video.
I guess with that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the box that I got in the mail, and then I'll show you guys kind of like an unboxing portion of this video. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Back with the shirts. I can't believe I just left them in the other room, so I had to leave for a second. But basically, when you order your shirts in the mail, this is what they will look like. So they're nice and beautiful, flat, flat laid. And then I also wanted to show you guys this because there's a really super, lovely detail that I really enjoy with these shirts. As you can see right here on like the inside back part of the shirt, you get a little message, which I think is really cool. And so I just want to read it to you, just so you kind of have another idea of what this brand's all about. So, grown kids follow their true passions. Grown kids have an idea, an inspiration, a drive, and a commitment to chasing it. Then keeps going. So another big part of the brand that I truly identify with is, finding your dream, finding your passion, following it, seeing it through to the end, and then after that you keep going. So keep going is a really, a strong mantra that I think is associated with this brand. It's a part of their vibe. So I don't know, I just wanted to give you guys that just to kind of keep in mind. So I don't know, I just think I love that detail. It's on like the back of the shirt next to the size. So right here I have a small and a medium. This is the medium, this is the small. They're really wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and start opening them because I think they're so cool. And also just for reference, I'll back up. I'm wearing a small right now. So this is how the fit is. It's a universal, men's and women's, unisex fit. So again, this is a small. I think it hits at the right length. I kind of like having shirts that run a little bit longer, but not super long to where they're like a dress, So I don't know, I really enjoy, I kind of like the more, loose style t-shirt fit, maybe a little bit longer. So for a small, I'd say this is pretty, it's a little bit bigger than your maybe average small, but I think it's perfect, and the texture of the material is just so soft and so comfortable. I've already gone through and washed this before too, and it's still just as bright white as it was when I first got it. So let's go ahead, I'll just go ahead and crack into one of these just so I can hold it up and show you, for comparison, just so you guys get a better idea. So this is a small, just for reference. So I think it's just a really great, let me hold it up to myself just so you can see for reference. Yeah, so it's the exact same one that I have on right now. I don't know, I just think the shirts are really cool. This is currently on sale for $22 on GROWNKIDZ.com. So there you have that, and I'm just gonna fold this up really quick. So yeah, I really highly encourage you guys to check out their website to get just a better idea of this brand and this company, what they're all about. I really think they have just such a great mindset, with their line. And like I said, they have so much more coming. So, but if you want to grab this t-shirt, give it a try. It is on sale for $22. I really hope you guys choose to support this brand. I'm really excited to be a part of it, just in a small way. And I guess before I go, if you don't know exactly how to wear this, in your everyday life, I currently right now, as you can see, I'll just try and back up so you can see a little better. I'm wearing this with a pair of nice dark jeans. And then, this is excellent to wear. It's a nice graphic tee, but it's not too in your face. I think the logo and the font are, you know, appropriate. They're not too flashy, but they're bold and they do stand out, but they're not like obnoxious, if you know what I mean. So another way that I think you could wear this if you want to kind of, you know, make it even more professional, and like if you are a working professional and you're working towards your goals and dreams in an office setting, but just in case you want to, you know, dress it up a little more, you could put on a blazer on top, which I think is such a cool look. So this is a navy blazer. I'm wearing a dark, you know, nice dark blue jeans. So you can kind of, you know, I think wearing this blazer, I'm just going to back up so hopefully you can see. I think wearing this blazer on top, you know, it just kind of dresses it up. You know, you can wear the shirt out, you know, you see the font peeking through, and if someone, you know, sees and they're like, oh, what does that say? You can tell them, you know, I'm a grown kid, and I don't know, I just think that's really cool. So a nice blazer with some jeans I think would be great. And then if you are also like me and you're not maybe the most girly type of clothing wearer, at least I'm not all the time, you know, I have my moods, I have my different times where I maybe want to be a little bit more feminine, but if you're a little bit more edgy, I think another great idea would be to pop on a leather jacket, or if it's, you know, it's about to be spring, summer, so it's gonna be a little warmer, if you like a leather vest or something you could put on top, I think this would be truly fabulous. Isn't that so cool? I mean, you can, you know, if it's cold, you can kind of, you know, zip yours up, and then, or you could just, you know, leave it open. Again, kind of like that blazer, you can let the font and let the logo kind of show through. So, I don't know, I think just adding a little bit of edginess to your outfit, you know, whatever makes you feel good, whatever makes you feel confident, you know, trying to reach your goals and dreams. I always feel really good and confident in a leather jacket. So, that's one of the ideas that I had. And then, you can also kind of play around with, you know, some of the bottoms too. If you want to, you know, just jeans and a t-shirt, it's a classic casual look. So that's always fun. But another kind of option, again, think of this shirt kind of as like your everyday like work tee. Like you're putting in the work to work towards your goals and dreams. So I know we all kind of have a different dress code depending on where we work. A good pair of khakis I think is always a good idea as well. And so I have these khakis, more of the stiff kind of khakis. So I think, you know, this color, you know, over that, I think it just looks a little bit more professional, and you know, you can change it up however you want. Again, go with your own kind of dress code, go with your own kind of style. And I'll open the medium before we go, just so you guys have an idea of the sizing on that as well. I'm really super excited to see the medium, because sometimes if you just want like a little bit bigger fit, I think ordering a size up is always fun to do as well. So here's a medium. You know, it's a little bit longer, it's a little bit more baggy, but you know, you could always like wear this over some jean shorts, you could wear it over a skirt, and you could like belt it. I think that would be so fun. And again, you could layer one of those, you know, like a blazer on top as well if you kind of wanted to dress it up. You know, you can really dress up. I mean, one of the cool things about this shirt, I think, the fact that it's black and white, you can really, you know, make it casual, or you can dress it up or dress it down. And so yeah, you get the same little, just before I forget to mention this again, you get the same little message on the inside on the back of the shirt as well. I think that's such a cool detail that I've never seen before on any other, you know, company line, you know, their clothing or anything like that. So I just think that the little touches like that are really cool. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. If you have any questions for me or the company, you know, visit their website, follow them on all their socials. I'll put all of their information in the description box down below. Thank you to GROWNKIDZ, man. I mean, I never thought I would be doing something like this ever in my life. So this is really cool. I'm really pumped. Thank y'all so much, and I guess I'll see y'all on the next one. Check out everything down below, and thanks again.